choosing VexGo because I get to code the cars and all the stuff that you get to code.
Well, I really like to build stuff
Because it's cool and you get to work with technology.
I like building with VexGo because you could build a lot of stuff and it's very fun.
I like robotics because you can drive them, you can build stuff with them, and it's very fun to play with.
From a teacher perspective, the best part of VexGo is generating the greatest amount of creativity with students and generating as many possibilities for them to solve problems.
It was a little hard at first, but it got easy.
You get to think a lot and it's really fun to drive and build.
You can control it. You get to choose what you do with it.
And that's the whole purpose of STEM, is getting them involved in a problem and having them solve it. The first day I took out the Vex robot kits, the kids were in total wonderment. And they looked at it and we talked about the structure and the functions of each and every piece, and they're like, I can do this, I can do this. The ideas just started popping out.
And the robot I was building in there, it's called the Human Bot because it just drives cars, can be your friend, whatever you want it to do.
I saw eyes as big as saucers. I saw smiles from one side to the other. I saw frustrations and I saw them persevere.
It'll be frustrating, hard, and difficult. I don't give up because I always have to try my hardest.
It's bringing it to life, making it real instead of looking at pictures and reading a blurb in a textbook.
Do you like it better than working with worksheets?
Yeah.
Why do you like working with robots more than working with worksheets?
Because worksheets is boring.
TechPoint Foundation for Youth, first of all, thank you. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Without you, I wouldn't have had a robotics team. You gave me 10 robot kits, 10. And I have one now for every 2 to 3 students who are able to build, able to think, to be creative, to enhance that imagination, and that's what you've done. Without Robots for All, we're limited. Robots for All, we are endless.